Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, we have a partnership with Webull where when you use our link and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. I use Webull right here. It's a stock trading app and I use it to buy and sell stocks and crypto. It's a really awesome app. It's called Webull. We have a link below. It's a legit partnership where literally all you have to do is make a deposit of at least 1 cent and they're gonna send you 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. So use our link below for Webull and let's get started with the video. Okay. We are moving on to Lyft layoffs. You want to read that?
Yeah. Lyft Q3 is seen as a big print for the company in wake of layoffs, Wedbush says. Who's Wedbush?
That's my friend. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I can't. How do I gotta make a free account? Oh gosh. Okay guys, so basically what's going on is Lyft is doing a lot of layoffs right now. Because, yeah, Lyft is laying off 683, Lyft is laying off 13%. Let's read CNN. I think this will be a free article. Everybody's freaking charging for articles these days. I'm just trying to read the news. This one, you just got to, look at a 40-foot advertisement while you read, but whatever. So Lyft on Thursday said it's going to lay off 700 employees.
Wow.
You want to read what they said right here? This is what they said.
They said, "We know today will be hard. We're facing a probable recession sometime in the next year and rideshare insurance costs are going up. We worked hard to bring down costs this summer. We slowed, then froze hiring, cut spending, and paused less critical initiatives. Still, Lyft has to become leaner, which requires us to part with incredible team members."
That does not sound good. That sounds like Lyft is struggling.
Yeah, if they have to get rid of their incredible team members, then
yeah.
There must be a big problem.
For real, like 13% is no joke, guys. That's like 1 in every 9 people about? That's a lot of people.
Mm-hmm.
We were much too optimistic. Yeah, I'm sure you were. Stripe is doing the same thing too, I guess.
Yeah.
So Lyft's founder said, "We are not immune to the realities of inflation and a slowing economy. Shares for Lyft are down nearly 70% so far this year." Guys, could this be the end of Lyft?
Who knows?
Find out next week on the Rideshare Hub.
I feel like the end of Lyft is coming. Uber, I don't think it's coming quite as soon because it seems like they are doing a lot of extra things like extra delivery things and then the Uber travel and the party bus.
And they bought Postmates too, if you remember that.
Yeah, but Lyft, I haven't heard about Lyft doing anything or trying to expand the company.
Yeah, and they're Lyft is only in US and Canada, right?
Is it?
Yeah. Uber's almost everywhere.
Yeah. They even had Uber in Egypt.
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, Uber's Uber, I have to hats off to Uber. They've done a really good job at expanding. They've always been, what's the next thing we can do? You always hear, oh, Uber now you can order helicopter rides through Uber. I think they're now to do the trucking services through Uber, the what are those, the semi trucks. Uber has a whole division just delivering products to grocery stores and stuff, transport. They're always, I feel always looking to expand. So I think that's where Uber will survive, because even if Uber has to shut down, like, you know, one of their things, they still got a bunch of other things they can do and make money from. So
Yeah.
And I feel like if they are really low on costs, they can just, you know, pause expanding and just focus on what they already have.
Yeah, true.
So anyways, that's Lyft layoffs, guys. How long have we been live streaming for?
Like, I think a little over an hour.
An hour, yeah. Hour and 14 minutes. How do you feel?
I'm chilling. How do you feel?
I'm chilling. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And again, when you use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Webull is an awesome stock trading app that I personally use to buy and sell stocks. So use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, and they're gonna send you all the way up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.